we will try to see what are the important acts that has been used in the last few months. The first is the Delimitation Commission, and as we know that Delimitation Commission has been in news because of the Jammu Kashmir delimitation process. So delimitation literally means the act of fixing limits or boundaries of territorial constituencies in a country to represent changes in population. So to represent what are the changes that has taken place with respect to demography in a region, delimitation takes place. So it's simply a process of fixing the limits or boundaries. Now, why delimitation takes place is to provide equal representation to equal segments of a population, so that the population which is residing in a territory, वहाँ पे equal representation हो. Every community has equal representation. Fine. Okay. Next, objective delimitation commission का है fair division of geographical areas, so that one political party doesn't have an advantage over others in an election. Third thing is to follow the principle of one vote, one value. That means each and every individual in that area represents one vote, and that vote has equal value. Fine. Now, how this delimitation process is carried out, the first thing that we need to keep in mind is the article which is important here is Article 82. Fine. So under this Article 82, the Parliament enacts a Delimitation Act after every census. So let's suppose the census was at the national level, the census was in 2011. So after the census, the Delimitation Act was made in this manner. Delimitation Act is enacted by the Parliament. Now under Article 82, we have a Delimitation Act which is enacted by the Parliament. Similarly, for the states under Article 170, states also get divided into territorial constituencies as per Delimitation Act after every census. Now, once this act is in force, the union government sets up a delimitation commission. So we should know that who sets up the delimitation commission. Okay. The first delimitation exercise was carried out by the president. पहली एक्सरसाइज प्रेसिडेंट के थ्रू कैरी आउट हुई थी, कोई एक्ट पार्लियामेंट ने क्रिएट नहीं किया था, एंड दैट एक्सरसाइज वाज कैरिड आउट बाय द प्रेसिडेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ द इलेक्शन कमीशन इन 1950-51. जो डिलिमिटेशन एक्ट जो बनाया गया था दैट वाज ओनली इन 1952 after the first exercise. In case of difference of opinion among members of the commission, the opinion of the majority prevails. Fine. The Delimitation Commission in India is a high power body whose orders have the force of law and cannot be called in question before any court. That means whatever the decision of the Delimitation Commission is, it cannot be reviewed by the court. It cannot be taken to the court. Its decision is final. Fine. So this is what is important about the Delimitation Commission with respect to prelims, and there would be some more acts as well which have been news in the recent past and important for the prelims. Thank you.